if you hate writing pen testing reports, you really need to see this tool, which we call PeTeReport. So PeTeReport help you to simplify your vulnerability findings. So instead of you trying to arrange it, trying to show your particular customer on the vulnerabilities you found on the server or in the network, PeTeReport does all those work for you. So it's just an open source tool for report findings to arrange your reports, design it, and do anything you want to do. So we are going to be installing PeTeReport, which is very easy, but I'm going to be installing it on a server. So I got my server from AWS. So let's say you have a team of pen testing, but you are not physically available. You are not physically available. So you can deploy PeTeReport on that server. So they can join as a user, join your findings together, and arrange your reports for you. So we are going to be installing it on a server for production purposes. So now this is our server. Make sure you have port 80 and 443 open. So it's going to be using port 80 and 443 for you. So I have my Ubuntu server on a VPS. So I'm going to update my Kali. Make sure you update your Ubuntu. So sudo apt get update and run your sudo apt get upgrade. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to be installing Docker. So PeTeReport uses Docker. So we are going to be installing Docker. So I'm going to type my sudo apt get install docker.io. I have my Docker installed, so it's going to install short. Yours might not be there already, so it might take a little while before it's installed. So then the next thing we are going to install is Docker Compose. So I'm going to run my sudo apt get install Docker Compose. So I have my Docker Compose also installed. So now where we are going to be installing this tool will be in the OPT. So we are going to first cd into the OPT. Now then I'm going to use gigs to download this particular repo. So I'm going to come here. Then I'm going to type my git clone. Then I paste it. Permission denied. Sudo. Okay, now we have it installed. Now let's cd into the PeTeReport. Now I'm going to list what's inside the PeTeReport. Okay. Then also the next thing we are going to do is going to be running our Docker Compose. So I'm going to run sudo Docker Compose, sudo Docker Compose build. Docker Compose build. So this is going to take a long time. So I'm going to pause this video, and when it's done, I'm going to continue. Okay, now to our first issue is this. So surely you are going to see this. So there's a solution to this. So what we are going to do, we are going to nano into our Docker file. So I'm going to list this file first. Then I'm going to sudo nano my Docker file. This Docker file. Then now I'm going to move to the part where this is where the issue is, this part. So we are going to specify the Debian file we want this particular tools to install. So I'm going to just clear this. Then I type my AMD64. Then also I come to this place. Just follow the path. Then I type my AMD64. Then also to this wget part, we have to edit a particular part here. So I already copied it here. I'm going to just copy it. You can copy it from the screen. Just follow the letter, or you can just see where there are changes, then change it. So I'm just going to clear everything here. Then, okay, my server is quite slow because I just gave it 2 gig RAM. That was a mistake on my side. So I'm going to save it, Control S, then Control Hex to go back. Then we are going to run our build again. So it's going to start, our build should start working. So I'm going to also pause the video. It's going to take a while. So I think it has started doing some things, some good things which I didn't see before. All right, cool. Now it's done. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to be loading everything up. So we are going to do sudo docker compose up. No, okay. Before we do that, let's install Tmux. So I'm going to install Tmux. So I don't want everything running to just be on a terminal. I want it to be in a particular place that is be running in an environment somewhere. So if I off the server, it won't exist the process. It won't cut the process. So I'm going to install Tmux. So we are going to see the importance of Tmux very soon. Okay, so BT gets installed, Tmux. Install Tmux. So we have Tmux is already installed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just type Tmux. So Tmux, you can see, is another environment. So let's say I just do HT. Then I now type Control B, Control D. So it's going to save that session. So if you are going to that place again, I'm going to just type my Tmux attach T0. Then I'm here back. So now let's run our sudo docker compose, sudo docker compose up. So this will start with a lot of things and you are going to wait a while. Let's see if it's going to do it immediately. Okay, good. So our service is running. So I'm going to go to my public IP address. So I'm going to just copy this. Then I go to open a new private window. Then I'm going to type my HTTP. Then I come here. Then I type this. So it's showing this. Then I'm going to click accept the restart, continue. PeTeReport should be loading. Load. Still loading. Took a while to load. So we have our PeTeReport. So now I'm going to log into the PeTeReport. So it has a default credential. So I'm going to just go to this place. I don't need to go to the console, to the codes to find it. So I'll just type my admin, then I'll copy this. So then go back to this place, then I type in my admin, then I paste this, then I click on sign in. So this is bringing CSRF verification field request aborted. Let's see what's wrong. I'm going to go to the console and still anything. No. Let's see, still anything. Still anything. 4.3 forbidden. Okay, yes. Now we have to allow Golang to accept our IP. So I'm going to go back to the terminal here. Now in this place, I'm going to Control B, D. So the Tmux is running at the background somewhere. You can see the importance of Tmux now. Now I want to do something now, and I have to just save this session somewhere, because if I cancel that session, that particular site is going to be saved. So I'm going to cd my PeTeReport, then I'll cd into the app, cd into the app. Yeah, cd my config, should be a config here, where I cd into chep. my hairless, then I have to cd into the PeTeReport.ok. We're going to sudo nano my PeTeReport. Okay, so we have this here now where these are the Django config. Kindly don't change anything else. We just want to just add something. So you can see the default here, the trusted origin. You can see Peter's Django CSRF trusted origin. So it's only localhost and 127. So if you are using Kali to install it, you might not see this issue. Might not see this issue. But if you are using a server, you might see this particular issue. So I'm going to just add it. So let me first copy this instance public IP address. Then I'm here. Then comes to this side. Or you can even remove all these localhost I want to save them and also add this. So I'm going to do my command, then HTTPS, then / pasting. Okay, no. There is something we are missing. I have to put it inside quotation HTTPS, then this and this, then pasting the IP address, then close the quotation, then Ctrl S, Ctrl X. So let's go back to my tmux to just tmux attach T0. Then I'm going to cancel this. We press my Ctrl C. Then I'm going to run my build again, compose up. So this our compose up is here. Now let's refresh this site. Means we go back to PS. Yeah. Wow. A PeTeReport is taking a very long time to load. I don't understand. Alright, so I'm going to log in my admin, then paste this, then I click on sign in. Now you can see we are entering the dashboard already. Voila. So we have this dashboard here. We have this very beautiful dashboard. I love the colors and some other things. So you can see this place for configuration, the dashboard configuration, customers, product reports, findings, common weakness, common weakness enumeration. I think common weakness enumeration or exploits, enumeration or exploits, findings, reports, WhatsApp. So in this place, you are going to run configuration. I'm going to just come down here. I don't know whether it's my highest speed that is making this thing very slow. Alright, so we have this dashboard now. For the configuration, I can come here. You can see users. You can create a user. I come to this user part. You can see the user. You can also change the default password. So also we have 2 roles, admin and the viewer. So the viewer is just only going to see your report and not be able to edit and do some other things. So and if I come here, if I come to this side, I'm going to see hard user. So you can give your user a username. Let's say helper. Then select the group. Either you want the helper to be administrator or viewer, can make him an administrator, and there's also super admin. So just making an administrator, put in his email, put in the password, and save user. So anytime your user wants to log in straight, you give him your URL, then log in. So this place for your customers. All customers, it has a default customer already, which is admin at customer. So that means for each customer you have, you can add in your customers. Now this is for your products. You can see all products. Then if I want to add my product, I can click here, add product. Now this product, you can see the product description. Let's say for this, let's say pin, and we select the customer. With the customer you have created, then you type in the product description. Let's say the product description is pen test with security. So then now I can save the products. Then now in this place is for your report. So you can click on all reports to see all the reports you've made. Then you can click on add report. So this add report is the main. You can see this place just look like if you are solving if you are doing bug bounty. So you can click on the report ID. It generates a bot ID for you. Then select the product. That is the product, the person, the customer product. Then also you give it a name. Then also you can see executive summary about your project, the scope, out of scope, methodology, recommendation, and the date. And also this place is for your findings. So for open findings, this is for close finding. You have the finding template and some other things, the CWD, CWE, and CWE list. You can also add all these things here. They are very sweet. You can add CWE coming, and also they have a community, a documentation. So if I click here, I think they have it here already. Documentation. You can see what you can use the documentation to do, the findings, the reports, the products, user management, install and deployment, and some other things. So you can use this guide to be able to run your pen testing report. So let me go back to this place. You can see for the CWE list, insufficient information, sensitive cooking with HTTP flag, and some other things. There is a place I want to really add. I don't know. I saw something. There's a place I want to really add to this video. Not seeing the place. Okay. No problem. So this is how to install your PeTeReport. The PeTeReport. I want to definitely get what I want to show. I'm going to pause this video to check. Alright, so this add finding template is at the report findings, add finding template. So if you say like a vulnerability, zero-day vulnerability, you can rate it here. Let's say you want it is an high vulnerability or very critical vulnerability. The finding title, anything, your CVS, SS, vector, and the score. So now in this place, based on there's a base metrics for your vulnerability. Let's say you want an attack vector to be adjacent, going to create something for you. The attack requirement, confidentiality is high, integrity high. Then it's going to immediately be rating the score for you. Then availability is high. Then value density, safety, and some other things. And also you can see location, impact, recommendation, reference. So all these things you can use it to you can save and finish, and you can also preview what you have done. So that's it for PeTeReport. So kindly subscribe, like this video for encouragement, because I drop this video mostly every week. I drop videos every week on open source tool which you can use and stuff like that. So kindly subscribe. This gives me more encouragement to drop more and more videos on YouTube. So thank you very much.